Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel in Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in this video, as I told you in last video, I will develop a booking seat section. Okay, in which a passenger can book their respective seats as per their choice. So let's continue in the Alarm Text Editor in the seats available.php file. So follow me from line number 1104 inside a ifelse method which contains each set method followed by host variables of PHP. So inside we will have a variable with the initialize value equal to 0 and variable j with value 0, and we will have another variable called ticket number. Okay, and the content will be ticket number. After that we will have chosen seat variable to collect the value of seat number that user choose on random, that contain value as seat, and another variable called total chosen seat. Okay, in which we will assign the total number of seats chosen by the passengers, which is present inside chosen seat variable. After that there will be if else block containing the condition total chosen seat is equal to seats available. No, I think this would be less than equal to seats available. Okay, inside if block we will have another variable fetch total passenger. Okay, we will have a PHP variable fetch total passenger query. Fetch total passenger query, in which we will assign a query, SQL query, select passenger ID from passenger details. Passenger details where ticket number is equal to ticket number provided by the user, which is enclosed inside a single inverted comma, and you might have noticed that a whole query is enclosed inside double inverted comma and terminated using a semicolons. And your kind information here, the passenger ID is a column name for the passenger which is fetched from passenger detail table. Okay, and the condition is ticket number. So after that there will be another variable fetch total passenger query result, in which we will assign the query fired using the MySQL query method, which accept a parameter con variable, which is condition variable, and a variable in which we have assigned our SQL query, that is fetch total passenger query. So here we go, inside which, after which we will have if block containing a conditions which is assigned into a variable called fetch total passenger query result. Okay, if it gives true value, then we will have total number passenger, TOTL, total number passenger, in which we will assign total number fetch total passenger query result. Okay, in which here you can see there is a MySQL numRows method of PHP which accept a parameters fetch total query passenger result, which means that whatever the result coming from this boolean variables will be assigned into this total number passenger, and this rows is fired or triggered using MySQL numRows PHP method. So after that we will have block inside existing a block in which we are working total number passenger if it is equal to total chosen seat. Okay, if it is so, then we will have another if block containing the condition total number passenger is equal to 1. If it is so, then we will have another query to fetch the bus detail information from our database. And we will assign this query inside fetch bus name query, which is itself an PHP variable, which is itself a PHP variable. So we will assign here a SQL query that fetch the bus name from bus table which is present in our database. Okay, where condition is id is equal to bus id. id is equal to bus id. Okay, actually this is a variable, so we need to use a dollar before any word, and which it should be enclosed inside single inverted comma, which in turn enclosed inside double inverted comma. So terminate using semicolon. Now fire this query and assign this query in another query variable called fetch bus name query result. Name query result. Okay, and we will fire this query using MySQL query method, as you know I have told you earlier in the last videos. Another variable will be fetch bus name query. Bus name query. Okay, so after this We are on line number 1125, so don't forget it. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. We will continue the rest of it from the next video onwards. So thank you. See you in next video.